We are right here at Club Dada, Cap G, K Sheesh, amongst some of the best talent in Dallas, Texas, baby.
Looks kind of dope.
I just trying to do my job. I got up here, I just fucking figured it out. Yeah, thank you. Oh, sheesh! It's your boy Kalvin Sheesh, and this Saturday, 4/19, leading into 4/20, we are right here at Club Dada, Cap G, K Sheesh, amongst some of the best talent in Dallas, Texas, baby. And you know what we reppin'? I'ma see y'all here. 4/19, let's go, Club Dada. Fuck it, I don't care.